If you pay property tax in Cook County, you could have money owed to you.
Our Marcus Leshock has the story on a new company that's making it easier to get a refund on your property taxes.
Hey, you want to pick some raspberries while we're out here?
Yeah. Carl Schrock has been living in Inverness since 1983. Like many other homeowners, taxes are always on his mind.
Is it frustrating? As somebody who's lived here since 1983, is it frustrating to see the taxes keep going up?
Well, it is, and I'm just kind of rolling with the punches.
What Carl and many other homeowners don't know, he was qualified for property tax exemptions that can save thousands of dollars over the years. Exemptions he wasn't taking.
I didn't think I owned had a deduction coming. I felt like I was on top of some of these things.
It is big money.
Tax analyst Andrea Raila has been dealing with tax law for 3 decades.
Exemptions for properties are key to controlling your property taxes. And unfortunately, new homeowners, people who buy condos, new homeowners and seniors don't understand that this is something that they have to apply for when they first purchase the house or when they're seniors. They have to apply every year. For every homeowner, they save $710 off their second installment bill. For every senior, he saves about $500. So you're talking about $1,200 on the average for people to save on their second installment bill.
Knowing you qualify for a property tax exemption is just one step. Next, you have to prove it. Navigating the Cook County Assessor's website can be confusing for a lot of people.
You have exemptions, and a box drops it down and it's exemption search. Well, when you click on exemption search, you have to put in your permitted index number. And that automatically someone just, I don't have it, I get frustrated. What is the permitted index number?
When you add up the homeowners who have given up trying to figure all this out, or those who just don't know exemptions exist, you get $224 million in exemption money that is unclaimed in Cook County alone.
These are clear-cut benefits that homeowners qualify for, and if they're missing them, they should correct it and get their money back.
Matt Myjack is the founder of Entitled Refunds. It's a private website aiming to make the exemption process simple. Type in your address, and they'll figure out if you have any money that's owed to you by the county. Then they'll do the work to make sure your money is refunded, and you never have to leave the house.
We're helping the assessor by informing homeowners, that homestead exemptions exist, by providing customer service that the county would otherwise need to, and by submitting clean and complete filings for easy processing by the county to ensure homeowners get their refunds as easily and quickly as possible.
So how much money am I talking about here that I could be saving, that I'm missing out on?
On average, the correction amount currently is $2,300.
If you are eligible for a refund from the county, Entitled Refunds charges a one-time 20% fee for their services. Active military veterans and their spouses receive the service free of charge.
Within 24 hours, I learned that I was owed $987 from the county because I'd missed the senior citizen exemption for 2 years. I just turned 67. And 5 weeks later, I received my checks, and we cashed them and spent the money on a spring vacation.
We're on a mission to solve the homestead exemption problem in Cook County, and 100% of the fees we collect goes towards helping other homeowners.
The website only covers Cook County at the moment, but they say they could expand in the future.
You can find more information at entitledrefunds.com.